Hi everybody, I hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend. This is the week 3 assignment review. The chapters that you need to read for this week are chapters 12 on lifestyle management, chapter 13 on professionalism. Yes, we're revisiting professionalism, and chapter 14, lifelong learning. So for this week's discussion, your first response says, describe how diet, physical activity, sleep, and preventative measures contribute to healthy living. Then feel free to list examples of healthy living in your own life. So tell me whether you do or do not incorporate these 4 different aspects of healthy living into your life and what you might be able to improve upon. Make sure that you address all 4: diet, physical activity, sleep, and preventative measures. Then your second post is to read and review professionalism in chapter 13. In your own words, based on your reading, what does professionalism mean to you? In addition, list at least 3 examples for each category. So I need 3 examples of professional behaviors, 3 examples of healthcare skills, 3 examples of professional appearance, and tell me how you do or will incorporate them into your professional life. There are 3 different paragraphs in chapter 13 that address these different things. There's professional behavior paragraph. It shows you different examples of what professional behaviors are. There's a paragraph on professional healthcare skills. Provide different examples of what professional healthcare skills are. And then professional appearance, another paragraph of different things that look for professional appearance. Some of these things are really kind of a review, but still important. Now, this week you have your OSHA assignment. Your week 2 assignment was to get you ready for this assignment. When you take this assignment, it will be set up very much like a quiz. It's multiple choice. You answer it, and you can retake it as many times as you like until you receive a score that you're happy with. However, you must score a 70% or higher to pass the class. So just make sure that when you're done and the final score is where you want it, be done. But make sure it's above 70%. Your week 3 quiz is only a one-time chance. So when you go in, make sure you take the test, and it's going to cover chapters 12, 13, 14. It's 15 questions long, and you have 2 hours to complete it. At 2 hours, it will automatically submit, and there will be no more answering of questions. Okay, so last week there were a lot of you, not a lot, but a few of you who missed the quiz and missed some of the assignments. So make sure that you click on week 3 and that you are completing all of these things: your discussions, your OSHA assignment, and your quiz. Now, you have a week 4 written assignment that will be due in week 4 that you do not have to submit to the OWL. If you'd like to start working on that in week 3, you can look ahead to week 4 to get started on that. Again, you don't have to submit that to the OWL, and you don't have to start it now. I'm just saying that there is another written assignment. If you want to start on it, please feel free to do so. If not, wait till week 4. If you have any questions, as always, please contact me, and I will do my best to provide you the answers you need. Have a good day.